Riri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikireire gucenjia mutaratara wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri kuma NHIF ginyanagia mubango-ini mweru wa SHIF noguo thirĩ wa NHIF kuri makiria ma mathibitari 140 guothe bururi-ini uthiĩte na mbere na kuhotomia motungata ma urigitani. Gukinyaniria na riu thirikari ndihotete kuriha thirĩ wayo wa mubango wa NHIF wa ciringi birioni 29 kuri mathibitari maya, na uguo SEKTA ino gukorwo gwati-ini wa gukobobana kurumirira mathibitari maya kuremwo ni kuheana motungata mayo rungu rwa mubango wa NHIF. MAKIRIA mari guku Nairobi arugamiriri a ngwataniro ya mathibitari ma andu KIUMBE RUPHA matongoretio ni muikariri giti wayo Dagitari Brian Lishenga niugite mathibitari maya matigitwo matari na dawa guku arwaru a mirimu ya higo, kansa hamwe na aria marabatara motungata ma uthinjani magitigwo hatika-ini.
We have a financial crisis within the healthcare. In our view, the health sector is sinking. We have no drugs. We have fallen back on payments for rent, payments for salaries for our employees. And even if you have been following, a lot of our businesses have been gracing auctioneer listings.
Lishenga ninge niaugite ni manyitite baru itua ria igoti nene ria guteaniria mubango mweru wa SHIF niguo korwo utafaneirio mogaruruku na ukuruhanie mawoni ma muingi mubango-ini uyu ta uria gatiba yendekithitie.
Now that the High Court has given you an opportunity to redo the bill, we want a first transition. We are for reforms. We support reforms.
Ninge ngwataniro ino ni yendekithitie mutaratara wa gucenjia mubango wa NHIF ginyanagia mubango-ini mweru wa SHIF ndukahikwo no inde uheo ihinda ria miaka 2 niguo ndumiriri ciothe ciegie ugima wa mwiri cikorwo na ihinda ria guthurimwo kana ni kinyanĩire na Kenya othe makorwo meyandĩkithĩtie rungu rwa mubango uyu mweru.
We'll allow you to create primary healthcare networks. We'll allow you to test the health information exchange. Will allow you to reconcile the healthcare bills that have been pending since 2019. The 2 years will allow public participation to happen. We do not have to rush and do everything within 3 months.
Oho ni yendekithitie bodi ya NHIF iria etongoragio ni muikariri giti wayo Engineer Michael Kamau kweruhia kandarathi cia mathibitari kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 niguo kuhota gutangikira arwaru hatari Mihinga.
The first amendment that Parliament should do is amend clause 6 of the transition of the first schedule which has boxed it into 1 year. Amend that one. Give yourself even a 3-year transition. We are not in a hurry. Where are we going? We need to do this, we need to do it the right way.
Riu ni moritie honge ciothe cia thirikari iria ire na thirĩ wa mathibitari maya irekererie kigina giki narua ta uria kwahoteka.
Mwananchi does not owe NHIF money. The people who owe NHIF money are government agencies, parastatals, sagas. These are the people who are not remitting money.
Kuhana uguo ngwataniro ino nionanitie wagagu wayo wa kuhotoma kwa miario gatagati ka anyititemi sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kuona giturwa kia minister wa ugima wa mwiri kiri utheri thutha wa President William Ruto kufuja ndudu yake ya minister muthi wa kana kiumia giki. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.